Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to disable ads on Xiaomi Redmi phones. So here I have a Redmi Note 15 5G, is the same also for the Pro version and other Redmi phones. And to disable ads on these phones you can do a few settings. The first one and the most important, just go to settings and here swipe and go to fingerprints, face data and screen lock. Swipe again and here we have authorization and revocation, and here look for MSA. What that means, this is the new system ads. Just disable this feature. And let's read. After you revoke authorization, the app will stop collecting data and all the related data will be deleted from the servers. Just tap here to revoke and that's all here. Now I will go to the security app and here just tap on settings and swipe, and here we have receive recommendations. Just tap here to disable this option. The next one is Mi browser, and here as you can see we have a lot of ads and just tap here on the profile icon, tap on settings, and here we have privacy protection. Here you can enable block ads, and also if you go back, swipe and go to privacy and security, swipe again and here disable personalized services. And now I will exit. And the last one, this is the Teams app. And here again tap on my account, tap on settings, and we have here show ads and personalize the recommendations. Just tap here and here to disable these options, and that's all. So these are a few settings that you can do it to remove ads from the Xiaomi Redmi phones. Of course, there are also others, but in my opinion, these are the most important. I also hope this video to be useful for you. If you like my type of content, you can also subscribe to my channel, and see you to the next videos. Have a nice day.